Hello everyone, welcome to Small World Car. So I recently found these two in a store. Well, frankly speaking, my wife found these two in the store. These are the moving equipments, and these are by Siku. Siku basically does slightly bigger scale compared to what we normally see in the small size. So I don't know if the scale is mentioned here. Not really, but they usually do 1:55. That's what I know. Let me see if the scale. Nope, nothing there. Okay, so we have got two of these here. One of is the front loader, another one is the earth mover or digger. Let's just talk about it. How does it look? What are the things you might like? Let's start with this one. So up front, you've got this moving arm. Again, this arm moves, but the bucket doesn't move. You got the top, which again moves slightly. I don't think I can move it completely. It does move on side to side. Yellow paint, as you see on a lot of construction equipments, something like that. Well, it shows it's a chain drive not chain. It's called belts, I guess. Yeah, on belts, but you got small wheels, cheat wheels, which through you can move it. No major details on here. You see normal stripes on construction equipment. Apparently it doesn't have anything in the cab either. So it's just a basic one, no major details. Looks decent. Moving to the next one. Slightly better detail than the one we saw. You can see it has got the wheels, which you normally see on the most of the construction equipments, the thicker ones. So you got those rubber tires though, which looks really nice. Again, yellow paint like most of the construction equipment, but here you got a cab with a seat and the steering in it. You also got the exhaust here and this grill, which looks like it houses the engine. So some good details. Again, this front arm moves with the bucket. The bucket doesn't move, and I don't know if these are lights or it's just there, but yeah, it's something weird. So overall, yeah, these are decent casting. There's like nothing special, like highly detailed. Even I think some of the matchbox have got more detail than this, but you really find Siku here, so it's not bad to add in the collection. These are my thoughts on these one, and that's how they look. So thank you for watching. Have a good